Hey everybody, we're going to be doing twice baked mashed potato casserole. Mike's going to show us how to use this cheddar cheese, bacon, sour cream, and a lot of butter. Here we go.
Good morning, Doug. Thanks for being here at 7 a.m. And today we are making twice baked potato casserole, a favorite at our party center. And I am wearing this old shirt. Just so you all know, we have a new Mike's Place Ohio Facebook page which delves into the history and the excitement of all the artifacts in Mike's Place.
So to get started, we're going to start cooking the bacon.
Mike, what in the world's all this?
Oh, my daughter Holly, man, she's got a little catering business.
Oh,
So,
nice.
but I think she's going to do some videos on cooking,
Awesome.
baked goods.
Can't wait.
So, Doug, here we are. I'm just trying to get this bacon done. It's darn near close to being done. You do not want to burn this. So, I'll show you when it's done there.
All right.
So now Mike's going to take the cooked bacon and he's going to place it on the cutting board so he can chop it up with the chives. Now he's a professional at this. I'm still learning. So as we cut the chives, cut the bacon, we're ready to make these potatoes.
Mike, cheers to the 7 a.m. in the morning. Wow.
Did it work?
So we got the bacon. Everything's over here.
Right.
Everything's chopped.
And
Now
this
what
is
are we doing?
one of my favorite things to mix in. I'm taking the pre-measured mashed potatoes.
Okay.
Now, the main parts. Oh, that's a lot of bacon, Doug.
See, you can't go wrong with bacon, though.
The cheese.
Oh.
Hey, everybody, in the description will be the recipe.
Yeah.
So with all the measurements you need,
Nice.
I mix all this together.
Now what's that? Sour cream?
Sour cream, Velveeta cheese,
Oh, man, this stuff's
the
good.
blanched bacon.
See,
Now I'm going to put a little bit of chives.
now I've actually got to taste this, and this stuff's incredible. I
Yeah.
ate quite a big
And I put this
portion.
cut bacon, or the cut
Butter,
butter. Right. Okay, Doug, now what I'm going to do is just mix it up.
And the portions will be in the description.
They will be in the description.
All
You see,
right.
right now I'm noticing it's just a little bit dry,
Yeah.
so I might add a little more sour.
Dry, but it's not.
Not overly wet. Because
Yeah.
as you cook this dish, Doug,
Yeah.
when you pull it out of the oven, when it's done, it'll be really loose.
Okay.
But it will solidify after you let it rest for
Gotcha. Well, that's good to know.
Okay.
The next step we might want to do while everybody's not looking.
Hey, Doug, and what I like to do is I like to just put a little bacon grease in there. Do not tell my wife.
I won't. Alexa's gonna tell your wife.
Yeah, now I'm going to add some pepper because I love pepper. And then a little bit of Lowry's seasoning. Not too much because remember, you got bacon.
Yeah.
Lowry's is the bomb.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, maybe a little more pepper. Okay. Mix it up well.
All right.
Mike's going to prepare for cooking the dish.
So whenever, I like using these casserole things. What I put on it is a food release because it's going to stick, but it won't stick as bad. So then I'm going to go ahead. We're going to put this mighty mix in here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at it go. We might have a little too much with this pan, but it's all good.
Nice.
Okay. Okay.
What'd
ready?
you just do?
Are we on?
Yeah, you're on.
Okay, hey, Doug, I put the extra chives on there. I don't want to throw anything away.
Yeah.
Now what I do is I sprinkle this
Oh, yeah.
madness over here.
Oh yeah.
And as if this is not bad enough, I put more butter on top.
I wonder why this is so good.
It's crazy. More butter. Now, Doug, when this cooks,
Yeah.
I almost like it to get a little bit brown along the edges, like a golden brown,
Yeah.
because that flavor is amazing. So
Oh,
then what
yeah.
I do is, then I'll go around and I'll mix it into this crazy mix.
Oh man.
So now I got my oven preheated to 350 to 375. We're gonna bake this till it's done.
All right. Well, what's that? You.
When it's done.
Okay.
So we baked it at 350 for 40 minutes.
All right, Mike. So what's the official cooking time on this
I think
one?
it's about 40 minutes.
Is it?
And that was with a convection oven. So if you have a standard oven, it might be a little bit longer.
And what was the heat?
350. Now, Doug, do you see that brownness around?
Oh, yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. You got a little bit of grease, but I love grease. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a spatula and we're going to mix it up.
Nice.
Okay, everybody, there's two ways to do this. You can just leave it the way it is, but see, what I like to do is get all this brownness and mix it all together. And then you get all that in there. But then you're going to have to let this sit for a while because, you know, with cheeses and sour cream,
Yeah.
you know, before you eat it. So I'd maybe pull it out, give it 20 minutes or so.
Nice.
Okay, there we go. Okay, Doug, we'll let it sit. Maybe we'll go work on some music and then we'll come back up and
Give it a try.
give it a try. Cold magic.
Looking good.
So we decided to bring the taste test to my niece Sophia Stone. Let's see if she likes the potatoes.
We're attempting to do a. Hey, he knows what they are. He knows what they are. So we were doing the taste test. This is my niece Sophia.
Hi.
This is Diesel. He just doesn't want to
Special.
stop looking at the potatoes. He is special. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so we're gonna do a taste test. Hand me Diesel,
Okay, go over
or I
there,
grab
go
him.
over
Come
there.
here, Deez.
Good boy.
All right, so he's laying down. So give me the. Come here, Deez. Come here. What do you think?
That's really good.
What's it taste like? Is it like a loaded
Very
potato?
cheesy. A lot of bacon, which is really good.
Yeah,
It's a very well-made dish. It's really good.
I like that. I like the professionalism. Do you like it better than potatoes from the?
Definitely.
For
You can
real?
tell the difference too. Like it was very like prepped, thought through. I like it.
What else you taste? Butter?
Yes, very sweet and good, and
Would you eat it for dinner?
I would eat it every night for dinner.
Holy smokes! All right, we did a good job. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Bye.
Man, this dog's gotta get out of these potatoes. But we thank everybody out there for watching these cooking videos. We love making them, and like always, subscribe to Mike Kostensky here on YouTube.